Good morning. I'm Dr. Rachel, and I'm here today to talk to you about depression among the entrepreneur community. So, entrepreneurs like ourselves are actually 20% more likely to suffer from depression than the average population. And really, it should come as no major surprise with the time demands that starting and upkeeping your own business take, with the amount of pressure that we put ourselves under to succeed, and the fact that we oftentimes associate our business success with our personal success. And any failures that we may recognize, we take incredibly personally and make them mean something about ourselves as an individual. So, Monday mindfulness for this week. Well, one, you have to be willing to talk about it, as unflattering as it may be, and as much as we all would like to only present the happy and the good side, especially in the world of social media, we have to be willing to say, I need help. Two, we can't be afraid of failure. We have to be willing to look at it as a piece of the puzzle along the way towards success, because as I'm sure we all know, no one has ever stepped into a venture and been successful with every tiny building block along the way. And lastly, if you feel like you really have been proactive in combating your feelings of depression and potentially anxiety, I would encourage you to think about getting some labs done. It's amazing how our hormone levels and sleep patterns can impact our ability to perform day to day and can have such a startling impact on mood. So, tests such as vitamin D, thyroid, and even adrenal stress panels can give us a lot of information about ways that you may be able to help yourself so you aren't constantly struggling to get ahead. I'm Dr. Rachel, and I'm wishing you an awesome day.